suso. Pero po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy. And welcome to Fast. Hena and Diana Martin. Maraming salamat.
Hindi ako mag-reply siya. May message ko siya ngayon. Tapos ayun, sinabi ni MJ siguro sa kanya, replyan mo naman yung kaibigan ko. And then that's how it started. And then we talked for maybe a week or so before we actually had time to meet through a friend's opening ng isang niya sa bar resto.
You know, you need to explain over and over and over again what happened without having to tell us the whole story, Diana.
So shortly after announcing,
Sometime in March.
yes, March. I think a week after announcing it, or 2 weeks.
Yeah, couple of weeks
Yeah.
after. Fortunately,
We lost the babies.
yeah, we lost the baby.
Oh.
But
At 7 weeks.
7 weeks. But you know, God's plan, God's timing. Best thing siguro that happens. Now she's healthy. Hopefully with God's
Yeah.
grace, we could try again and see where it takes us.
God's good time.
Yes, exactly.
It was a difficult experience, but we have moved on.
Yeah, life goes on. Sabi mo.
Ayun na yun.
Life goes on.
Naipaliwanag na natin.
Yes.
Bola, pera. Basketball, cuddle time.
Bola.
Happy wife, happy coach.
Happy wife.
Most attractive thing about Diana.
Ice.
Kailan ka huling nangalabit kay Diana?
2 seconds ago.
Kiefer, Diana is...
A Kiefer.
Oh... Diana, Corona, pamilya.
Pamilya.
Pageant walk, bridal walk.
Bridal walk.
Bahay ni Kuya, bahay ni Kiefer.
Oh my God! I'd love to go back to bahay ni Kuya. Pero bahay ni Kuya.
Most attractive thing about a kid.
I love his eyes.
Diana, kailan ka huling nagselos?
Wala. Hindi sila.
Kiefer is...
My great love.
Oh, okay. Siya o ako. Mas clingy.
Ikaw.
Seloso.
Siya din.
Unang nangangalabit. Tabi-tabi. Unang napapagod. Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Morning.
Morning.
You promise to each other. Ano ito?
That I will love him unconditionally and I'll always be here for you.
Loyalty, trust, and I'll give you a great time together, friend.
Napaka-sure.
Sobrang fun. It's a great
So
experience. Of course, talking to sa mga haligi ng industriya natin, and it's always nice to open up and share our love story and hopefully inspire a lot of couples out there as well.
Okay. Also, yeah, it's good to be back to catch up with Tito Boy and share a love story. It's fun.